March 15th, exclusively on Coda Network.
What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, so the attacking boss there. So my viewers and my subscribers, I have some highlight of Vybz Kartel concert right over there in Tortola in British Virgin Islands. That was held on Saturday, March the 15th, 2025, my people. This concert also featuring act like Skillibeng, Da Vinci, you understand, you don't know, Vybz Kartel's son, Little Vybz was there, Russian, you know what I mean, MC by Nuffy and a few others, my people. Well, I see the comments from a lot of people and I see the reaction of people love the show, and honestly, my viewers and subscribers, it was a great show. Crowd turn out, and based on what me here are the biggest show ever keep over there in a British Virgin Islands, Tortola, my people. So Vybz Kartel, big up yourself, my brother. We already know so Vybz Kartel, my people, that go show him sickness and thing, and we know say when him return him first show him do him take a couple of months, and that was held, you don't know, so December the 31st leading into the new year 2025, my people, and you don't know, say that was an epic one. So we don't see and we don't know the condition of Vybz Kartel, but one thing I can say, my people, the man a perform way better than these artists. So I say they are road long time. The way the man sound, the way the man a deal with the show, and the man just a get greater and greater and better and better and better. So Vybz Kartel, me not lie, my brother, it was a great and a good performance. But people, me not talk too much. Me I go share the highlight with you so you can enjoy and see how Vybz Kartel, Skillibeng, Da Vinci, you don't know, Russian, and him son Little Vybz, and big up to MC Nuffy, how them locked down the whole of Tortola in a British Virgin Islands. So check it out, my people, and remember to do what? Subscribe. I'm out.
Everybody up here. Look. Me no love. Clap see the fur, clap see the leather, you clap see the fur, clap see the sun, clap see the water, clap see the summer, clap see the winter. Me know we're naughty, that of it sailor, poor of the tiger, everybody. Me knew what it be. I'm a pattern, my daddy from I was a youngster. Turn it up, real bad man, no muggle in a shot. One drop. Me no afraid of that. No afraid of nobody, me no afraid of nobody. No afraid of nobody, we no afraid of nobody. We no afraid of nobody. Look at that go! One drop. When me born alone. Me rat while I them no shot a bone. Me no left my mom get dog a yard. If I want you a defend, go and back home. Tortola no take top, so go and flip up like car phone. And no farmer use can alone. Roton gunter like all alone. Sing now. We no afraid enough. Hear me I say no. And that me I say look. We no afraid of no bullbuck. Go for your army. Go for you. Go for you. Go for your again. Jump now man. Got the spinner. Got the spinner. Got the spinner. Hear me I say no. This is one for we never go with them tiny care. Go on, the big lady. The Akella. We never go with them. Hey, how we make fun of me, man. Nobody like no back of it, God. Just until now, the whole you could have take right. Tortola ladies, I just need one request from you. Kiss me, baby. Set me free. Set me free. Set me free. Ladies, is it ready? Ladies, scream. What you expect me to do? Lord, please. Shawty catch me last night. And she say, you got up and say, cause you know you want it. No worry, car. No worry, car. She about kids. Say,
Yo.
my time now. But I'm not going to end it. Why you want to say it? And every man
Ready, ladies.
looking at the sky. All when and night. When you come in, I'm look, you know what me have to wear big pants? Make a kill longer than the knife. Tell me where you lie. You want me drive or you want to ride it like a bike?
Sing, ladies.
So when me put it on the left, can you take it on the right? Take it on the right.
Ladies, sing.
What? Titty appetite, every nipple gets a bite. Gets a bite. Sing. Heal in your breast like yeah. No matter how me ram it, I'm jam it, ball it, stop. Come about 2 times already, you want it. You want me hard every day, you're there, you're road town, ramping shop. But you can't forget. I me take for you. 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 Singing Dupa. Look, what you do that say? Nothing.
Yeah, my brother.
You know how that song you Bill?
Tell me.
Fun fact. I wrote this song for Gaza Slim. And at the time, she was going through some emotional whatever. So she couldn't get to do it.
Okay.
What I'm saying is, she was watching the dick. So me sing it. Look,
All right,
listen.
teach him.
Pretty little girl in a pretty little world. Want give your time and don't want give your
I
pride.
know.
Pretty little girl in a pretty little world. What do you know it? Look, you're beautiful. And you not make no boy. Otherwise, cheat on him, eat away, eat a lot. That's ready. No matter what you're going through,
Tortola.
count your blessings, yeah.
Ready.
Fire, we have up this man in our yard life. You're not to sing, just listen. Well, today is a new day. Give thanks and count your blessings, yeah.
Ready.
Fire, we have up this man in our yard life. You're not to sing, just listen. Well, today is a new day. Give thanks and God is the greatest. People, I got through some things in life with my family, my health, my freedom. I never lose hope. Syrup on my mother life. No! Well, today is a new day. Give thanks in life. All praises to the Lord we see and we now make it. Kartel! How you feeling? First of all, we are give thanks to God. Because through God everything is possible. So thank you. It's just another day. Just another day. Sing! Dr. Johnny, we up. Before the start your turn round, must a kiss for me, darling. Tell her, say, only me are touching on the street. In the street, we see poor people balling. When the black woman filter me off, it when the system I don't miss it. No, big up the girl, them we fight it alone and I raise 2, 3 big nip on them one. Where the man then? No man know they walk. Big up the Tortola juvenile them where you say them have to make it and not touch the drum. Them no one with the claim our own, but Africa. Sure. And a foolish show on my show. Can I sing, please? Well, I'm happy, yeah. Can't beg you watch over us. As I smoke up and drink up. We going to party tonight, yeah. We going to party. Ladies, if you love excitement, oh, let me rub you the right way. 1, 2, 3, what is this?
Scope on me clock. That's how me gun sound when it pop, 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 pop. Is that?
We can be louder than that tonight.
Pick up every bad man at Tortola. Scope on me clock.
What is this?
That's how me gun. Head shell, gunshot and pen shell. Me know nobody can love you like me. Me think make you fly like me. Me fuck you hard and I saw you like it. What she do? She can't fight. Head shell, gunshot and pen shell. Easy. Now if you're from the Caribbean, you know about this beat, right?
What you say?
Wallan, boom, dum dum, 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 boom, dum. She want from the pussy pa me. Yeah, she just boom, dum dum, boom, dum dum, boom, dum dum, boom, dum dum. This is what she said to me. The pussy pa me. Level. Say if she never have a man, she give me fast. I would have give me one son, I give me one daughter and no drama.
What do you know? Look, you're beautiful. And you not make no boy. Otherwise, cheat on him, eat away, eat alive. That's you, baby. Baby, I'm fine, yeah. Look, there a woman voice on a mic. A joke. Big long cocky gone up in your lungs. And your body down the 2 bars never hung. In the fear, if you want it. She said, no, baby. Say like you sound like me name Jiggy Young. Just feel like one of cash gun is like down. Big room war in a street go down. Me turn up the get looking at you about the my time for turn it up fulfill turn it up look listen slow motion sweet for you heart wine with emotion. It's time when you give me smooth no lotion. It let the way of them arise up in me yo. Bring some far, you give me the close one. And now that I gonna make the loving so strong. Me want buy a ring with a 30,000. Open me the husband. Baby, me love the way you wine. Come on for me body embrace ya girl. Me love you. And when me broke, which girl can't crown me. Me left that wealthy and nothing for money. Look, baby, your bank book no fit money pocket, no fit in cars and no macaroni. Don't give her no free punani, money up around. Get that ocean. Set me free. Set me free. Set me free.
Ladies, are you ready? Ladies, please.
What you expect me to do?
Different, y'all, every day. And I run down the gun and you.
Lord, please. Shawty catch me last night. And she sing. You got up and say, Cause you know you want it. No worry, car. No worry, car. She about kids. Sing.
Hands up. Hands up.
Hands up.
Hands up.
Hands up.
Hands up.
Hands up.
Hands up. She love bad man.
What you say?
What you say? A bad man she love.
Bad man she love, yeah. Bad man she love. Bad man she love. Bad man she love, yeah. Bad man she love. Bad man she love.
Sing the part, yeah. Your pussy fat in your.
What you say?
Pull.
Can I hear you sing?
And every man
Ready, ladies?
looking at the sky. And when at night, when you come in, look, you know what me have to wear big pants? Make a kill longer than the knife. Tell me where you lie. You want me to drive and you want to ride it like a bike.
Sing, ladies.
Suppose me put it on the left, can you take it on the right? Take it on the right.
Ladies, sing.
What? Pity appetite, every nipple gets a bite. Gets a bite. Sing. He leave your breast like.
Big up to all of the Gaza people there, but there we have followed Da Vinci career from 2008. Sit in the rack. Cause, yeah. Tell them say I don't go in me. I mean, say please, just walk there. All the tea of paper, all the tea anything.
I love my mother so more than you will know. She cares me while I go. Yeah, yeah. Oh, Vanessa, hero, hero, hero. Yeah, you're my hero. Hero, hero, hero. Yeah, yeah. My reason, you make me strong. I will never do you wrong. Mommy won't let you down. Oh, I wanna give you a cry. Oh, Vanessa, through any weather, you won't be alone. Things will get better. Oh, I love you so. I love my mother so. More than you will know. She can't.
Tortola ladies, I just need one request from you. Kiss me, baby. Read it. No matter what you're going through, count your blessings, yeah.
Ready.
From your wake up this morning and you have life, you're not to sing, just listen. Well, today is a new day. Give thanks and
Tatia, Gaza and Array. And before I make my call to action, I'm representing for CODA. And it means Caribbean, on demand, at all times and places. So we rep for the Caribbean, regardless of what your race is, the face is, the culture, or what your taste is. I'll be streaming CODA. What will you be doing? I'm out.
Streaming live March 15th.